Well, I think we're in the heaviest band of snow now. They're still forecasting 14 to 18 inches in this area. I don't see it, but if it goes past 6 o'clock, we have to be getting like 2 inches an hour. Gusts of 35 to 50 miles an hour, wind chill 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Visibility is getting pretty low now. I would say it's under a mile. Well, it's really coming down now. I think this is the most intense part of the storm coming through. The snow looks like it's coming down horizontally and the wind's really picked up. The wind chill's 5 degrees. Look at this wind, it just scours the snow right off the roof here. It is cold out there. The visibility's really cut down. Wow. It's 3:15. The raised beds are covered up. Can't see those boards anymore. The wind's coming in from the northeast, so it's hitting the back of the beehive. I don't think it matters that much with that wrap around it. But it's not up to the beehive yet. Well, it's 3:30. We've got a couple more hours to go. But it looks like, depending on where the wind is blowing, I don't think we're going to get over 12 inches. Looks like we've got 8 inches right now. Then if you look over here, the wind has just swept all the snow away. Which is good, because this is where the snow blowers. And the wind just ripped the cover off of my snowblower. Wonder where that went, even though I tied it down. Well, could be a foot here. I think the wind's just going to blow this out. Yeah, it really depends on what side of the house you're at. Let's see right here. We've got 11 inches. So it looks like there was a second band right on the back side here that's coming through right now. You have this original, this dark one here, and then there's this one right there. You can see it. So when all is said and done, it'll be interesting to see what the totals are. Now for some pea soup. This is going to be good. I'm exhausted. Don't have any saltines, just have some Ritz crackers. I've got some Philadelphia brand cream cheese. So this is New England Gardening. Thanks for watching. First major snowstorm of 2017. And it's just about out of here. They did mention in the news that Boston officially has received 14.6 inches. Don't know what the total is in my area though.